Hello everyone, today I will review this humidifier. Its brand name is Crane and it is Crane Cool Mist Humidifier. It comes in a water drop shape, as you can see. Its tank capacity is 3.78 liter, so almost 4 liters. Its weight is 2.6 kg and its height is 14 inches. It's very quiet, very easy to clean, and it does not require any filter. I bought it long ago, so I don't remember its price. Nowadays it is sold between $70 to $100. As you can see, it is very old, so it's obvious that it's very reliable, very trustworthy humidifier, because I'm still using it and it's working great. It's quite big and it covers wider area, so it's good enough for a bigger room. If you guys are having any problems with breathing or cold or flu or dry hair, dry skin problems due to winter, you definitely need a humidifier for your room. It keeps the air moist and help you breathe better at night. Okay, so let's talk about its parts now. It has basically 3 parts. As you can see, there is a upper mist outlet part, then its water tank, removable water tank, and the lowest part is its base with the knob, the button to turn it on or turn it off. Okay, so this is the mist outlet, the nozzle. If you remove it, then there is a tank, water tank, and this is a base. The base material is antimicrobial, so it prevents growth of bacteria in this base. So when you put back the water tank on it, some of the water goes down into this tank, base. So you need to remove the water every week, and you need to remove in this direction, like you are seeing the arrow. Okay, and to disinfect the base, you need to add some water with vinegar and let it stay for some time, and then remove the water and rinse it with fresh water. Okay, so you need to keep it clean, so every week you need to remove the water from the base, and you can clean it with a small brush. Okay, and here is the light. It acts like a night lamp at night. Okay, so let's put back the water tank on it. So there is the button to turn it on. I put it on this setting, the lowest setting. Okay, and I don't know if you can see the mist. And if you move it in this direction, it is the full setting. Okay, now I guess you can see the mist. So I put it on the lowest setting and it runs for 3 days, day and night. Okay, and then I fill it again. So it's a very good humidifier. You can give it a try. I will I will rate it 5 out of 5 because I found it great. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you liked my video, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel. This way you will help other YouTube users to get access to this video, and this will be a small appreciation to the content creator as well. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.